Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing some fake eyelashes I received in the mail from an Australian small business. Also, for you guys to know, this is not a sponsored video. Cloud9 Lashes was kindly to give me 3 of their fake eyelashes from their range. This is the perfect timing because here in Australia, we're back to normal and we're also leading up to the holiday season, so everyone is glaming up for upcoming events and parties. And at the end of this video, I will share my final thought of each style. Just for a quick background to my viewers, I used to wear fake eyelashes every single day, so I have my tips and tricks on how to apply them within seconds. If you're here for a specific reason, make sure to check out the time codes in the description box below. Whether you click on this video to get some inspiration or you want to hear my honest thought on these fake eyelashes, or if you have similar eye shape like me and you want to learn how to apply them. So without further ado, let's get started. So the fake eyelashes I picked up is Soft Breeze, Clear Blue Skies, and Moonchild. So all the lashes are made 100% South Korean silk synthetic fibers on a thin cotton band, so it allows to bring you soft fluffy lashes that feels comfortable on the skin for any occasion, cruelty free and vegan, and it says that it's up to 20 times wear with proper care. So the Clear Blue Sky is $15.99, or great subtle look for everyday wear with cloud-like comfort. So combining both black and brown individual lashes and a natural elegant curls. So the main tools that you need for applying your fake eyelashes are the tweezers, fake eyelashes glue, and a mirror. So how I like to do it is you just apply like an eyeliner. While my glue on the eyes that I apply is drying out, I like to go on the eyelashes and apply all over the band. And let that dry. Peppering my tweezer, so I just, anyway. And once that's done, so what you do is so my first impression is that, first of all, I thought that the Clear Blue Sky is gonna look very natural on my eyes. Because I really thought that these were not considered long. Personally, that's what I think. But as soon as I start trying to place the eyelashes on my eyes, it looked really long on my eye shape. So I really feel like I really thought that my eye shape was really small, but this is really long for me. Like, this is not natural for me, honestly. So can you guys see? Like, it's very flattering. But I personally think that this is not natural. Moonchild is $16.99, or the wow factor to your makeup. Voluminous lashes comes in a mix or brown and black lashes, there to look bold and fabulous while experiencing lashes lightweight feels. So how I like to remove it is I like to use the end to pull it out. And then if there's some excess glue, I like to just pull it like so with your fingers, because you want your band to be as clean as possible before you start doing the application. Just apply it as an eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go on my fake eyelashes here and just apply the rest all over the band. And let everything dry. And while I do that, I use my tweezer to start peppering I always start in the center first, so you apply in the center first before applying the other ends. Okay, so lashes are on. So this is Clear Blue Sky, and then this is Moonchild. Definitely the Clear Blue Sky is more natural looking, whereas the Moonchild gives you that wow factor, just like the description says on the website. So it gives you more glam looking than this one. So this one is preferably more of a natural and everyday kind of eyelashes that you want to use. The Moonchild will be more suitable for if you're going out at night with friends or for a date. Or the Soft Breeze is retail for $14.99. They're a sweet addition to your makeup look that you've been looking for. These lashes offer fine spaces to enhance your natural lashes with the longest fiber in the center of the lashes to create a wide-eye effect for a cute dainty look. So that's Soft Breeze for you guys on both sides. So definitely that's something that I much prefer compared to the other two, because first of all, see how I said my eye shape is quite round. So this one, even though I prefer the longer length at the end, I feel like this one is much better from the range, because not only it really goes very well with my eye shape, and it really makes my eyes rounder, which for some reason I'm really liking. I feel like it's the most natural in compared to the other two. Also, the length is perfect for my liking, because not only is short, but it looks the most natural on my eyes. So that's why I really prefer this style right now. Alright guys, so final thought of these Cloud9 lashes. So for my personal first impression, the Clear Blue Sky is definitely something that looks natural, but for some reason for my eye shape, I find it not flattering on my eye shape. If you have someone that has similar eye shape than me, I don't think I would recommend that one, even though I really like the hybrid style. The Moonchild, on the other hand, is more of a glam look. It has more volume looking, and therefore I find that one is something that you want to use for night events, or for weddings, or for going out on dates, or going out with friends. That one, I find it more flattering on my eyes, but still something that I would not use on a daily basis. So now, last but not least, as you guys can see, I am wearing the Soft Breeze, which is the perfect one that out of the three is the perfect one that I really like so far. As you guys can see, it makes my eyes looking like a puppy eyes, my personal style. So this one is definitely more flattering on my eyes. It naturally goes well with my natural shape, so that's why I really think that this is the perfect eyelash for my eye shape and for my style as well. I would definitely be, if I wanted to use something like this on a daily basis, this is definitely my go-to. If you want my recommendation, I highly recommend you guys to check out the Soft Breeze. I find that is going to give you very natural eyelashes that you can use on a daily basis. And if you want to go for parties, then I highly recommend you guys to check out the Moonchild style, because it's going to really pop your eyes with a nice smoky eye look. So yeah, these are my recommendation. Unfortunately, I really wish the Clear Blue Sky could be my favorite, but unfortunately it didn't go well with my eye shape. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys find this review and first impression of the Cloud9 lashes. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and also make sure to check out Cloud9 Lashes. I will link their website in the description box, as well as their Instagram handle. If you do have any question about any of these lashes, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.